Trainual and Scribe are two business tools used to scale. This video compares both services to find the best option for growth. While both apps help, they have a very different approach to capture and organization. We analyze the tracking, customization, costs, and support, plus two other key areas to see which one performs better. By the end, you will know which management tool is right for your team. How they handle process capture. When we look at Trainual and Scribe, the first big difference is how they help you record what you are doing on your computer. Trainual takes a structured approach to getting information into the system. While it has a built-in screen recorder to capture video, it is mostly designed for you to build out a more formal manual. You can use over 500 templates to help you start writing your processes. It also has AI-assisted documentation features to help you write text faster. Instead of just being a quick guide creator, Trainual acts as a central place where all those guides live together as a complete training system. Scribe is built to be a tool that follows you while you work. It uses a browser extension or a desktop app to watch your mouse clicks and keystrokes. As of today, when you finish recording, Scribe automatically turns those actions into a written guide with screenshots already included. You do not have to stop and write out every step because the software does it for you in real time. It works on any web app, and if you have the paid version, it works on your desktop and mobile phone too. This means Scribe is faster for making a single video guide, while Trainual gives you more tools to write a detailed company handbook. Organizing your company knowledge. Both Trainual and Scribe offer ways to keep your documents organized, but they use different structures to do it. Trainual is much more focused on the people in your company and how they fit into the organization. It includes a roles and responsibilities builder, which lets you define exactly what each person's job is. It even has an interactive employee directory and an org chart so everyone knows who reports to whom. You can organize training by group, such as by department or location. This makes Trainual feel more like a piece of HR software where your processes are tied directly to specific jobs. Scribe uses workspaces and documents to keep things in order. You can have multiple workspaces if you are on a larger plan, which helps if you have different teams that should not see each other's work. It also has a search feature and an enterprise API, so you can find your guides quickly when you need them. For most users, Scribe is like a very smart folder system for your how-to guides. While Trainual organizes by the person doing the task, Scribe organizes by the task itself. Alright, that covers the knowledge organization for both platforms. If you already have an idea which one you would like to try, you can find my affiliate links for both Trainual and Scribe in the description of this video. These links help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Trainual allows you to book a demo or start a trial to see how it fits your team, and Scribe offers a free basic version so you can try right away. Now, let's compare the progress tracking of Trainual and Scribe. Tracking team progress and accountability. Trainual and Scribe both provide ways to see if your team is actually using the information you provide, but Trainual is much more detailed here. Trainual includes testing, tracking, and reporting features. This means you can give your employees a quiz after they read a process to make sure they understand it. It also has completion nudges and due dates to remind people when they need to finish their training. For managers who need to prove that an employee was trained for legal or safety reasons, Trainual even offers e-signatures on its higher plans. Scribe offers what it calls insights to show you how your guides are being used. On the basic plan, you get simple insights, and on higher plans, you get advanced insights. This usually tells you how many people have viewed a guide or where they might be getting stuck. However, Scribe does not have built-in quizzes or tests. It is more about making sure that information is available when someone is doing the work. If your goal is to track learning over a long period, Trainual has the specific tools for that. If your goal is to make sure someone knows how to do a task right now, Scribe works well. Customizing and branding guides. When it comes to making your guides look professional, Trainual and Scribe both offer customization, but they focus on different areas. Trainual allows for custom branding, especially on its premium and enterprise plans. You can change the fonts, styles, and colors to match your brand. And you can even use a custom domain so the training site looks like part of your own website. One unique feature of Trainual is that it offers in-app language translation on all plans, which is great for teams that speak different languages. Scribe is very helpful for cleaning up screenshots. It has a feature called sensitive data redaction, which can automatically hide private information like names or account numbers in your pictures. You can also add your company branding and edit the text or steps after you record them. This ensures that every guide you send to a client or a new hire looks like it came from your company. Scribe also offers language translations, but this is listed as an enterprise feature. Both tools allow you to embed your content into other software your team already uses. Comparing the cost and scalability. Trainual and Scribe have different pricing structures that change as your team grows. Trainual uses 4 main tiers: Core, Pro, Premium, and Enterprise. Each tier adds more features like more video storage or more e-signatures. For example, the Pro plan gives you 15 gigabytes of video storage, while the Premium plan gives you unlimited storage. Trainual is built for complete scalability and offers specific enterprise support for very large companies that need help moving their data over. Scribe has a free version for individuals who just need to make web-based guides. For teams, Scribe Pro starts at $13 per seat per month when billed annually. But you must pay for at least 5 seats, which means the minimum cost is $65 a month. As of today, you can save 24% if you pay for a full year once. Scribe is easy to scale because the price is per person, but remember that everyone on a team must be on the same paid plan. While Scribe is often cheaper for a small team, Trainual might provide more value for a large company that needs deep HR features. Support and getting help. The last thing to consider is how much help you will get when things go wrong. Trainual offers a lot of hands-on support. Even on the basic plans, they have on-demand chat and email support. As you move up to the Pro and Premium plans, you get access to a customer success manager. For enterprise customers, this becomes a designated customer success manager who helps with the organizational rollout. Trainual even has something called Trainual University and a Trainual community to help users learn from each other. Scribe provides a help center, a blog, and webinars to teach you how to use the tool. If you are an enterprise user, you can get a demo and more direct help with security and legal reviews. Scribe is designed to be a self-service tool that you can set up quickly on your own using a browser extension. So if you want a partner to help you build out your company's entire training program, Trainual offers more of that human support. But if you want a tool that you can just install and use, Scribe is a good fit. So, which one should you pick? Choosing between Trainual and Scribe depends on what your team needs most right now. You should pick Trainual if you're trying to build a source of truth for your whole company. It is the right choice if you need to track who has completed their training, if you need to store employees' records, or if you want to build a formal onboarding process that includes tests and e-signatures. Trainual is more than just guides. It is a system for managing your people and their knowledge. Now, you should pick Scribe if your main problem is that documentation takes too long to write. It is the best choice for people who want to click a button, do their work, and have a finished guide ready in seconds. It is excellent for IT teams, consultants, or anyone who needs to show others how to use software quickly. Alright, so both tools offer ways to get started for free or see a demo. So the best way to know for sure is to try them with your own team's workflow. I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description. But before you go, between instant capture speed and a full company system, which one does your team need more right now? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.